In this video, we will look at different scenarios where we can use the compare and merge feature in eGit integration. When you create a new feature or modify an existing model, you typically make many changes that might affect the model structure, diagrams layout, code snippets, properties of model elements, etc. After you finish with your changes to the model, you can review and compare and merge the changes using three different views. That is, from the Project Explorer view, the History view, and the Git Staging view. For our demo purpose, we are going to use an existing modeling project to demonstrate a few of the compare and merge scenarios. To start with, I'm making some changes to an existing code snippet. For that, I navigate to the server capsule and then select the HTTP GET operation, where I'm inserting the following user authentication code. And then saving the changes. The next scenario is to make some change to the model structure. I am adding a new state called cache user data. And creating a transition from reset to the newly created state. To demo a change in the code transition, I'm also adding a transition called user info with the user log details. Finally, I am going to move the diagrams around to slightly change the layout of the model. After changing their positions a bit, I'm saving all the changes. To view the changed items at a glance, you can look at the fragments of the model that is highlighted with a specific icon in the Project Explorer view. We will now see how to review the changes at different levels using the Compare and Merge editor. Let's look at two ways to invoke the Compare and Merge editor. First way is to go to the Project Explorer view, right-click the changed model element, and click the Compare With and then the Head Revision option. Then select the Compare options. File by file is the default option. And the second method is to go to the Git Staging view and right-click the unstaged items from the list to open the editor. Double-click on the editor's header tab to maximize the window. You will view the list of changes grouped into a meaningful hierarchy. All model changes that affect the meaning of the model is grouped under the model view. All changes that are related to the diagrams but not affecting the meaning of the model is grouped under the diagram view. Let's go through the changes list. The first change in the list is the new transition that we created. Expand the node to see more details about this diagram change. For example, we created an exit point and provided a name for the transition. The second is the layout change that we did. Expand the node to see the exact position change of the diagram. The third change is the new state that we added. While reviewing, if you find the changes not correct and want to further make modifications, you can navigate from the editor to the specific model element in the Project Explorer view. You can expand each of the nodes in the model view for more details. Click each of the items to view their properties in the Properties view, but note that they are in read-only mode just for information. Let's quickly review the code change that we did as well. After reviewing and verifying all the changes, you are ready to commit the changes to the Git repository. Go to the Git staging view in the Git perspective. In the Unstaged Changes area, you will see the list of changed items. Drag the items that you want to commit to the staging area. Provide a meaningful comment and follow the commenting guidelines, if any, in your organization. Click the Commit button and wait for the commit to finish. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.